If you're struggling with bills or unexpected expenses, a quick loan might sound like a lifeline. But most people get this wrong. They assume all payday or short-term loans are the same. The surprising truth is that Advance Financial offers a mix of options, but it comes with pros and cons you should know before applying. Advance Financial provides short-term installment loans and payday loans to help cover urgent expenses. Their online application is fast, often giving a decision within minutes. Funds can be deposited the same day in many cases, which is a major benefit if you need money quickly. They also offer a variety of loan amounts, typically ranging from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, depending on your eligibility. One advantage is accessibility. Advance Financial considers applicants with varying credit histories, meaning you don't need perfect credit to get approved. The process is straightforward. Fill out the application, provide proof of income, and verify identity. For many, the simplicity is a relief compared to traditional banks. However, there are some drawbacks. Interest rates and fees can be high compared to traditional personal loans. APR often range from 100% to 300%, which can quickly make repayment challenging if you are not careful. Late payments can also trigger additional fees. It's crucial to borrow only what you can repay on time and understand the total cost of the loan. In conclusion, Advance Financial can be useful in emergencies due to its fast approval and flexible access, but it's not a long-term solution. Treat it as a tool for short-term needs, not as a replacement for budgeting or traditional credit. If this review helped you understand whether Advance Financial fits your needs, subscribe for more honest reviews on loans, financial tools, and strategies to manage money responsibly.